Yun nga, how do I cope? Ayun pala.
Okay.
Diba? Each individual has different sets of coping mechanisms. You know, I can't say that my coping mechanism can be your coping mechanism as well, because we are all different. We are unique. I think that's one thing we should realize. Like in acting, for example. Ang daming methods of acting. You have Stanislavski, you have Chabak, you have Eric Morris, etc. But at the end of the day, based on my experience, whatever works for you po eh. And it's the same thing with coping with mental health. I mean, if you're really not in a good place, yan, of course, you have to take care of yourself. Ako, dalawa lang talaga yung non-negotiable between sa recovery po ng mental health. Your faith in God. That's number one.
Word.